Okay, so this is also just a quick introduction to Melody 13B, which is error detection in Brahms melodies. Now, I think this is pretty straightforward. You know, you're going to hear a melody played for you, and you've got it sitting on a page in front of you, and there are going to be a certain number of errors. I think you are even told how many errors there are going to be in what you've got written on your page. And so all you have to do is listen to the melody and say, wow, is that what I have written on my page? And if it's not, where was it wrong? Where did it differ? I want to give you one hint if you're doing this or being tested on this that makes all the difference in the world. You've got a melody sitting in front of you. Before you ever hear it, as soon as you get the test, or when you have a break in the test, you can sort of sing the melody to yourself. You can audiate it in your head and say, what is written here? And see how it sounds. Then when you actually hear it played for you, you can say, well, that's not what I had written at all. And some giveaways may be a note that's written that seems unlikely. That seems like a note you wouldn't actually want to hear. That would probably be a prime candidate for a note. The other thing you might listen for is if when you hear the melody, you hear a note that's out of the ordinary, that says something special, that maybe suggests a change of key or a chromaticism, and you don't see that on the page, then that's another hint that there's an error there that is deliberately trying to mislead you. But basically, all it's doing is it's a simple way of saying, can I look at the music and tell that what I'm hearing is what's written? I think it is probably very important, especially we experienced in class the other day hearing fa, re, do as a final three notes, and someone heard it as mi, re, do. So again, in this, as with all things, remember to write down what you hear, not what you wish you heard. Or notate errors where you hear them, not where you wish you heard them. Right? So, something like fa, re, do instead of mi, re, do would be another prime candidate where someone might try and trick you. So, good luck with this. Have fun practicing it, and let me know if you have any questions.